In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your shipping settings for a more streamlined experience in your shop manager. Whether you're new to online selling or a seasoned entrepreneur, setting up your shipping preferences correctly is crucial for smooth operations and ensuring your customers have a positive purchasing experience. Let's get started. First, we're going to head over to your shop manager. This is your central hub for managing your shop, from listing products to handling orders. Once you're there, locate the settings option. You might be familiar with this section as it controls various aspects of your shop, but today we'll be focusing on shipping settings. Inside settings, you'll find shipping settings. This is where you control how you deliver your products to your customers. Now we need to edit your shipping profiles, which are essentially templates that define shipping costs, delivery times, and destinations. Editing these can help tailor your shipping options to fit your business needs perfectly. When you select Edit, you might notice a list of countries where you currently ship your products. Here, you can see the breadth of your delivery options, which is great if offering worldwide shipping fits your business model. However, to streamline processes or focus on a specific market, you might want to make some changes. Our goal is to remove all countries except your local area or a preferred region. This step is important because it allows you to concentrate on specific markets, perhaps to reduce shipping complications or enhance delivery times. To do this, simply go through the list and deselect any country you wish to exclude from your shipping options. Be careful to select the ones you want to keep, ensuring your local region or chosen area remains selected. This adjustment allows for clearer communication to your customers about where you ship to and can help avoid any confusion during the checkout process. Once you've made all your selections, it's time to save these changes. You'll usually find a save function at the bottom or top of the page, which finalizes the updates you've just made. Remember, saving your changes is crucial, otherwise all the adjustments might be lost and you'd have to start the process over again. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've successfully customized your shipping settings. This can lead to a more focused delivery strategy, potentially saving you time and hassle in fulfilling orders. Plus, it can enhance the customer experience by showing clear shipping options and managing expectations effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. For further tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy selling!